A perfect storm of climate conditions set the stage for disaster. Scientists say this was no fluke, but rather the result of a dangerous mix of extreme weather patterns that made conditions ripe for catastrophic and deadly wildfires across Los Angeles. A new NOAA report shows the devastating fires were fueled by excessive vegetation growth from back-to-back wet winters, which then dried out during a historically dry fall and spread rapidly due to strong Santa Ana winds, a true weather whiplash.
What we call hydroclimate or precipitation whiplash will increase with rising temperatures, seeing more of the really wet winters like the ones we just saw, but also more of the really dry seasons like the ones we're currently experiencing.
This rapid shift between extremely wet and extremely dry conditions is starting to become a dangerous trend in Southern California.
There was growing concern all the way from the fall because we were entering strong, dry Santa Ana wind season with record dry vegetation, that should there be an event during a wind event, that it could be very, very bad.
And it was. The wildfires burned more than 55,000 acres, 18,000 homes and structures. At least 29 people died.
This was an upper echelon Santa Ana wind event with widespread wind gusts over 70 miles per hour, and some of the highest peaks saw wind gusts over 100 miles per hour. And when you mix those strong winds with these wildfires, they're virtually impossible to contain.
This fire really has been driven by the extreme wind. We had 99-mile-an-hour gusts, which when we're spraying water, it's going 90 degrees to the side.
Preliminary analysis shows both climate change and the development of a La Nina made these extreme fire conditions more likely and more severe, according to NOAA.
What it means for Southern California is that typically during La Nina, you have drier conditions.
The biggest fear for climate scientists? More intense rounds of weather whiplash in the years to come.
In those whiplash, wet to dry transitions where we get all that abundant grass and brush growth, more fuels for the potential fires to come, and then record-breaking periods of heat and dryness to dry it all out and set the stage for potentially devastating fires like we've just seen.